Okay, today we have the extremely rare Floating Reaper with remote control. Meaning this one is only powered by remote control. The box is no different from the normal one, other than having this remote control sticker on it. And the color of the box is completely darker. Everything else is the same too. There's also something else in here. We also have this also came with 2 papers by Tekky for the remote control. And this paper, which I have face down, is Tekky Toys phone number, which I'm not going to show. Yep, these are basically papers that came with the additional remote control instructions. That's really all there is in there. And I got mine used, so apparently, that's what I'm assuming. Apparently the person said he took this out of the box twice, but that was enough for him to break one of the wheels off. Now we will get to the prop himself. He is out here trying to speak loudly so we can't avoid copyright. And here he is. He's no different from this one over here, but the face. The face is completely different. If you've seen this one, you would know his face has, or no, his hood has LEDs on it, so it lights up his face. This one has a light up face. So he's 100%, yeah, and I just activated him with remote control. Here's a clear look at it. Turn forward. Currently mine has a problem where it only goes in one direction. So I can't turn it, he only goes in circles at me. Oh, and also his base doesn't have Velcro on it like these three. He has wires on the bottom. He has a wiring on the bottom of his clothing where it looks like he's floating. Like you see that. Now he will keep going until you let go. Until you stop controlling him. He will not stop moving until you stop. Meaning he keeps going. He keeps falling over on me because he's missing the one wheel. Yeah, he's a lot more pale and whiter than the other one. As you can see, you can't really see this one well in the light, where this one you can see a lot better. I hope you enjoyed this video.